Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated, Apple Music app current, and your car is paired via Bluetooth or connected with USB. Now, open Settings and go to Music. This is where Autoplay controls live. Once there, disable Autoplay under Music Playback if visible, and check CarPlay settings under General CarPlay. These first steps stop automatic handoffs. Make sure you complete each tap. Skipping one setting can leave Autoplay active. Once done with iPhone settings, tackle app and car triggers. Open Apple Music app settings and turn off Autoplay and related smart features. Also disable Shake to Shuffle to avoid accidental starts. Next, in iPhone Bluetooth or CarPlay list, select your car and choose Forget this device, then repair to reset permissions. This clears Autoplay flags. Finally, inspect the car's infotainment menu for options like Play Media on Connect and turn those off. Together, these steps remove most automatic. To finish, reboot both your iPhone and the car's infotainment system, then test by locking/unlocking or starting the car. This confirms settings took effect. If music still starts, enable Do Not Disturb while driving or disable background app refresh for Apple Music to block auto launch. As a last resort, reset network settings or reset CarPlay configuration. This clears persistent flags but keeps your music library. If that fails, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.